Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Ford F650 easy method. Start by sketching basic truck proportions using simple rectangles and guidelines. Block out the cab, hood, bed, and wheel arches with light strokes. Place the wheels using a consistent wheelbase and mark ground level. Check proportions against your reference and erase extra guides. Keep lines confident when you ink and add bold grille and mirror details last. Sketch the cab rectangle first and set the windshield angle to capture the truck stance. Extend the chassis rectangle rearward and mark axle points for balanced wheels. Lightly draw circles for wheels and refine their placement so the body sits naturally above them. Add basic hood and bumper shapes, keeping lines simple. Use guidelines to ensure the cab and bed align, then begin refining fenders, doors, and side mirrors with confident strokes. Now focus on details like the grille, headlamps, and bumper hardware to bring the F650 to life. Define the doors, handles, and mirrors with deliberate lines while keeping proportions intact. Add wheel well curvature and tread hints on tires for realism. Use soft shading under the chassis, inside wheel arches, and around recessed areas to create depth. Finish with highlights on metal surfaces and a final cleanup of stray guide marks for a polished drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.